What's going on, everybody? It is the Naughty Investor here. Hope everyone's having a great day. So Ethereum and Bitcoin are up for today. Ethereum's up so far 2.33%. We are at $362.75 per Ether. Really good news for Ethereum holders. It has been rising steadily. I do own quite a bit of Ethereum. I've been bullish on Ethereum for a while just because I know how the network works. I think the technology is very valuable, especially to ICOs. So Ethereum, I definitely think long term is going to rise. I think we're going to be hitting 400 relatively soon. The thing about Ethereum is it is a slow rising cryptocurrency, but it's not super slow, right? So Ethereum, it might take it some months to get up to 400. It's not like Bitcoin where it's hitting like 1,000 every other month. It's gaining like 1,000 every other month. But Ethereum definitely does have that growth potential because of its network capabilities and because of the ICOs that so heavily rely on the Ethereum network. They are all Ethereum based. Not all ICOs. Some are based on waves. Some are a little bit different. But it's like 80% of the ICOs out there are Ethereum based. And that does drive demand for Ethereum. Now, sometimes ICOs will sell their Ether they raise into fiat, which does hurt the price, so it is a weird relationship. But I think overall, ICOs are good for Ethereum, right? Because if an ICO raises 100 million Ethereum, that's an increase in demand, and let's say they sell 80%, they still raise 20 million Ethereum. It still is a 20% increase in demand for the Ethereum. Not really an increase in demand 20%, but you guys get what I'm saying. It helps it more than it hurts it, in my opinion. So Ethereum definitely going to be hitting 400 soon. As you can see on the chart, we're not that far off. And if you look at the RSI over here, we are starting to see overbuying, which I don't think is necessarily horrible. It just means that if we do keep getting overbuying and we do hit 400, it will dip back down a little bit. Maybe we hit 415 and dip back down. I don't know. It really just depends on how much demand is there. Another thing I wanted to talk about is frozen Ethereum. All these bugs that's been happening is not Ethereum's fault. It is usually the exchange's fault. And frozen Ethereum, a lot of people think it's bad for Ethereum, and to a degree, it's bad because of bad publicity. But you have to think about it like this: it's supply and demand. If there's frozen Ethereum, inaccessible Ethereum, then what does that mean? It basically means that it is a reduction in supply, which, as you know, if supply goes down and demand stays constant or demand goes up, then the price is going to rise. So a reduction in supply does increase the price. So all of this frozen Ethereum isn't bad for the price. It actually is good. I know that sounds weird. Why would that be good? But you have to look at it from a standpoint of supply and demand. You have to think like an economist. Supply and demand, lower supply, prices are going to go up. So that frozen Ethereum, if it stays unfrozen, it is going to be helping the price of Ethereum. So yeah, guys, that's really it for this video. As you can see, Ethereum, we're not seeing a ton of overbuying yet, which is good. But even if we do see a little bit of overbuying just to get us over that 400 hump, I think it's going to be good news. I'd say support levels are at 300, and that's just because we have so much sideways consolidation over here. I mean, look at this. All of this, and we even have, all of this too. Almost looks like a Venn diagram or something else. But yeah, guys, we were seeing we had a lot of sideways consolidation over here, so I don't think we're gonna ever really dip too much under 300, even if there is a correction. But I definitely would say support levels are at about 300, because as you can see, we get up to over 300, we dip down, and we have all the sideways consolidation over here from like 260 up to 300. So definitely in the high 200s, low 300 areas for support. For resistance, absolutely, it's going to be at the 400 level. We're gonna need some help getting through that, but I think it's going to happen. I think it's going to happen soon. Give it some months. Ethereum is a slow moving crypto, which isn't bad. I actually prefer that. And yeah, it's really it for this video. I know I already said that, but hope you guys have a great day. Check it out. Check out the links in the description. Support the channel. If you want to make a donation, you can. You don't have to. Share the video with your friends on Reddit, wherever you can. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.